let me eat my meal. Bacon bits, I wish it was veal. That's a hell of a deal. But this is not class. Only even learning, you're teaching. That's concerning. Good grades, we want to be earning. Good jobs, we will be deserving. 12s, that's all we need. We pay a lot, so teach us, please. Don't crash the bank, you look a pretty shitty professor with no tenure. I'm the teacher, preacher, I'm the main feature. You think you're all that? You don't even know my life. Homework's the greatest, it's like I'm famous. You could bet that I'm going places. I could work at Google, got a job last spring. Fuck Microsoft, cause no one uses Bing. We gotta raise our marks to be an engineer. Fear might not reach a battle here. Blowing up our arms, these 12s are rare. And now we got you and you don't even care. Too loud, calm down, sit down. I know how to teach, not babysit. Listen to me. Number one, please don't bother me. And the second rule is there's no pop quiz. Your marks will be high to find, that is, cause I'm too damn fly. Don't even try. Find ask away class. Don't be shy. It's me, the future prize of this place. I'm concerned for all worried about our grades. We're taking 7 courses and we're afraid. I mean, look at me shaking out my knees. I'm here to make cash and you're bugging me. This headache's too strong, but the time to leave. Let's down, bills out, now it's time to see. Now do you or do you not want to give me peace? It's a high bill, just take 2 pills. Can you see this? Going downhill. Sign a petition, let's get fired. To the department forever retired. Running around school grounds, mean to find a text, we won't let us down. Good luck with that man, they're all sold out. Read the PDF and calm the fuck down. If I knew how to use Avenue, I would give it to you. Going to go through, showing up out of the blue. Did you guys interview? What interview? I'm not here to please you. That's so cool, you're no use. Give me back reviews so we can fiddle with you. Fiddle with you. Too loud. Calm down. Sit down. Right now. We are here to learn some math. And you're the leader of this class. Wish you clean your act of facts. There's no way we will ever fuck. Did I sign up for man? Is this worth no cash scan? Shortening my lifespan. Man, I should stuff them all in trash cans. Gotta make a game plan. Wanna go to West End. What the fuck's this class, man? Figure out where we stand. Need our needs to lend a hand. Goddamn, we don't even understand. Surviving math is our plan. Can't you see this class is going downhill?
Shout out to the next one on track, which is Subterranean. 1 second. It was Subterranean. Okay, this used to be called erectile dysfunction. If it's the same one, it is changed to dry. I don't think dry precipitate is the same one. I think it's a different one. Subterranean, but only once.
Friends.
I found erectile dysfunction. Thank you.
Underlings.
Here, underlings. I'm getting ready to do this, Jillian Ford. Just so you know.
Maybe I should stop.
This is my reign. This is my time. Join me. We're gonna run this school.
So Heidi,
you set it on me. She's slimy. She escaped me. She's against me. Yeah. Heidi is no good. Heidi pities everyone. You chose to follow me. I am your president. I never stood you wrong. Giving you wings to fly. I don't know how to work this. I want the best world. A better world. So my ex-boyfriend wrote and directed that. My ex-boyfriend wrote and directed that, and 5 persons starred in the other one. This is how you should know who's like mid-famous in the area. Hi, my name is Allie Reed Schuyler. I am McMaster Musical Theater's Vice President Finance, LMFAO, the Vice President of Accidental Media Literacy in this school. So sorry. I am the graphic designer on team. I am currently not the marketing coordinator. That has been ceded to another position at this point in time, obviously. And I lost the presidency to Isabel Diabolitzes. It's okay. I did not put myself forward, just so you know. The presidency of McMaster Musical Theater is something you can put yourself forward into. I personally did not. I did get voted into this running. Hi! This is how I ran my TLDR, because I thought I was going to be able to run for... marketing again, but it looks like I'm running for the president and then VP Finance immediately, because if I can't get the presidency, I guess that means that the next person is going to get the vice presidency by accident if they are strong enough. If they are strong enough, cue Hamilton.
The election of 1800.
Can we get back to politics?
lyrics, please? Yo, every action has its equal opposite reaction. John Adams shot the bed. I love the guy, but he's in traction. Poor Alexander Hamilton, he is missing in action. So now I'm facing Aaron Burr with his own faction.
He's very attractive in the North. New Yorkers like his chances.
He's not very forthcoming on any particular stances.
Ask him a question and glances off. He obfuscates, he dances.
And they say I'm a Francophile. At least they know I know where France is.
Thomas, that's the problem. See, they see Burr as a less extreme view. You need to change course. A key endorsement might redeem you.
Who did you have in mind?
Don't laugh.
Sorry, I usually cycle through that.
Used to work on the same
write more than
staff.
that.
It might be nice to get Hamilton on your side. It might be nice to get Hamilton on your side.
Talk less, smile more. Don't let them know what you're against or what you're for. Shake hands with him, charm her. It's 1800, ladies, tell your husbands, vote for Burr.
I don't like Adams.
Well, he's gonna lose, that's just defeatist.
And Jefferson, in love with France.
Yeah, he's so elitist. I like that Aaron Burr. I can't believe we're here with him.
He seems approachable. Like who could grab a beer with him? Dear Mr. Hamilton, your fellow Federalists would like to know how you'll be voting. It's quiet up. Dear Mr. Hamilton, John Adams doesn't stand a chance, so who are you promoting? It's quiet up. Jefferson or Burr, we know it's lose. Jefferson or Burr, but if you had to choose, dear Mr. Hamilton, John Adams doesn't stand a chance, so who are you promoting? But if you had to choose, well, if it isn't Aaron Burr, sir,
Alexander,
you've created quite a stir, sir.
I'm going door to door.
You're openly campaigning.
Sure.
That's new.
Honestly, it's kind of draining.
Burr.
Sir.
Is there anything you wouldn't do?
No, I'm chasing what I want. And you know what?
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 I learned that from you.
You had to choose. You had to choose.
It's a tie.
You had to choose. You had to choose.
It's up to the delegates.
You had to choose. You had to choose.
It's up to Hamilton.
You had to choose. You had to choose. Yeah. People are asking to hear my voice. The country is facing a difficult choice. If you were to ask me who I'd promote, Jefferson has my vote. I have never agreed with Jefferson once. We have fought on like 75 different fronts. But when all is said and all is done, Jefferson has beliefs. Burr has none.
Well, I'll be damned. Well, I'll be damned.
Hamilton's on your side.
I'll be damned. Well, I'll be damned.
And
You won on a landslide.
congrats on a race well won. I did give you a fight. I look forward to our partnership. Our partnership as your vice president. Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
You hear this guy? Man openly campaigns against me, talking about I look forward to our partnership.
It is crazy that the guy who comes in second gets to be vice president.
Oh, you know what? We can change that. You know why?
Why?
Because I'm the president. Burr, when you see Hamilton, thank him for the endorsement.
How is Hamilton?
Okay. So, if the alley name shocked you, hi, I went by Alley University, and it shouldn't, by the way. Oh my god. I went by Hartley Allison Reed Schuyler. I went by Hartley Reed Schuyler. I went by Hartley Allison Elliott Reed Schuyler for a second. I liked Allison Elliott, and then Elliot Page came out, and I was like, this is too much. This is too many of us. We look the same. We, like, all look the same in a second, and it's, like, scarier than you think, and I'm the one with bangs. I'm the one with, like, long hair in a minute. I'm, like, about to look like Haley Steinfeld out here if I'm not, like... Could you, like, the entire ponytail? I can't wait. It, like, goes up, so it's fine. I can wrap it now. Okay. this. This is the henna I got done last night by one of the InReach workers at Wish. Basically, if you know, I was fundraising for a program that I called Mutual Aid Request Line back in May of 2025, and this is when PM called me crazy with Nixon, by the way, which I find really interesting. We got our henna workshop. So someone is paid in our room to stay during after hours to also be able to, on human skin, practice their skills. Just so we're aware of like what happens at Wish, it is this. It is making sure that when the disability bill doesn't go through for some reason fast enough, we can actually help the person. It's making sure that there's the housing fund going around if you needed it. And it's making sure that the housing fund can actually be an office fund in a second, because I am sick and tired of paying rent. In 2020 to 2025, this is substandard and high. As I move into McMaster in 2019, not only do I fuck up, but I fuck up. I immediately run into turf roommates. I saw this one coming and I was like, no, I'll put myself through it for a second just to see what happens. They were turfs. One of them. By accident. Like, yeah. Like language tone, yes. And I immediately move out. I send an email to residency at McMaster and I'm like, hi, I'm trans and I need a room. I have bad girl roommates and they're not being nice to me. I'm like non-binary. I get a solo room on campus with an ensuite. Having to share a bathroom with someone that you don't care about at all for some reason, and it is mostly because I don't know the person, is kind of the energy people give off in life, by the way. You deserve the privacy of your own bedroom, bathroom, whatever that means to you. If you think that, like, people deserve to live in the situation that, like, Wish is, no, not live, babe. That's called your form of punitive justice, white team. So sorry to break it to you. And I'm not vibing with it. No more. Thank you. I love this outfit, though. I really do. It's super nice. There are massive pockets on these pants. Like, massive pockets. And, like, the design work is so beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna have to, like, zoom this back. Okay. The design work is, like, just perfectly pulled, whatever. I'm lucky enough for these to be A, perfectly my size, and B, comfortable enough to wear double clothes under, so I'm actually warm enough today. Wow, maybe that's the other thing. How many of you own 7 pairs of tights you replace 3 times a year? How many of you are Muslim like that, just so you know? How many of you have very specific opinions on, like, how valuable the rhinestones are versus what you withhold from someone? How much Red Bull do you think you drink? How many drugs do you think are in your room? Do you think when I step into a different room, I experience different drugs 20 minutes? At 41 seconds, you'll get this 21 call, which is about the length of an episode of TV for kids. XOXO, Gossip Girl. Or Bonding 3.